Google out Codeblocks.org. This is the opening page. Click on the download option. Download the binary release. You also go for the download source code. Here the Windows source. Now I suggest you to download this one, the sourceforce.net, and if you are using the Linux, so go for it. If you are use Mac OS, then go for this one. And if you are using the old version like Windows 7 and upper links are not supported to your laptops or PC, then you also go for it, older release. Here you download the code blocks. Different versions are there. I suggest you to download this one, release 10.05. Now I show you how to download it. Click on the setup.exe. Click on it. Download the latest version. And it will showing your download will start shortly. And here I download it and save it, whatever we want to name it. Then after saving it, you can easily install it. So that's why it is a tutorial for how to download the code blocks. Thank you.